Strong and lightweight sifter holds a full 3 cups, home baking just got easier. This sifter holds more flour or powdered sugar than most sifters made for home use. Measurements are stamped right into the metal and can easily be read from inside the sifter as well as outside. Classic reliable hand crank and single mesh. Professionals prefer crank-style sifters over hand-squeeze sifter models because they can stand up to repeated use without tiring out your hand. Sifting is effortless and cleanup is super simple, no multi-layers of mesh for ingredients to get stuck. The double loop agitator leaves nothing behind. Lumps of flour and sugar can get left behind to clog the mesh screens when using squeeze handle models, but the Bellemain Flour Sifter cranks smoothly, capturing everything. Works great with fine and coarse flours like almond meal and oat bran. Easy for bakers with arthritis to use. Squeeze handles are hard to work and require hand strength, which means they can wear you out quickly. But the Bellemain Sifter's hand crank operates smoothly and effortlessly. Lightweight flours and sugars practically sift themselves. Rust-resistant stainless steel will easily last a generation or more. Stainless steel is lightweight, but stronger than aluminum or plastic, so you never need to worry about cracks, chips, dents, and scratches. This is the sifter that you'll still be using in 20 years. Top reviews from the United States. It's perfect. Just the right size for making a bunch of pancakes from scratch, does a great job of taking out lumps from dry ingredients while mixing them evenly. Lightweight, with a comfortable handle, it looks like if not abused it will last for decades.